Good morning. It is 26th of April today. It feels like we are still in winter. That's a pear tree, one of those magic trees. Over here used to be another pear tree which has gone to live somewhere else. That is a pear number 4, and hopefully it will see some magic in the very near future. It has only one of its original variety grafted onto that one when I bought it, and that is Doyon du Pomis. And hopefully it will have some more varieties in the very near future. Next to it, that's another apple tree. I had grown it from a cutting of a crab apple, and then I grafted it with the challah variety. It had another tree near it, and because of the big trees close by, it didn't get much of the sun, but at least it is still alive. So on top of the crab apple, which I used as a root stock, I grafted challah variety, which has a lot of flowers, and on one of its branch I have grafted Baker's Delicious. So those are Baker's Delicious, and that is the grafting giant. And on top of the same branch, if we go a bit up, that is Red Love Mira, and it has some tiny flowers coming out as well. So I will have to keep in mind its size, and I'll make a decision later on. If the flowers fall off, well and good. Otherwise, I might reduce the number of flowers or number of fruit. In the corner, these are 2 lylic trees, very small. On one of them, I have grafted one with very dark flowers, this one, that branch which has grown, and the other one that has white flowers, and its original color is light pink. So one of them has 3 varieties, and next to them, these are 2 of my fig trees. I have trimmed them down, and I try to keep it low, within easy reach. It gives me fruit twice a year. I enjoy the first fruit when it is ripe. I love that fruit. The fruit is nice and sweet, and that is the best fruit in my garden. But the second fruit they give, it comes at the time when it is the end of summer and winter starts coming in. So the second fruit doesn't reach the ripening stage, and there's nothing much I can do. I'll have to live with it. Both fig trees I have grafted each one, taking the scion from the other one. So they both have been grafted with each other's varieties, and they are doing very well, although they are under the shade of those big trees. But still they are doing very well. Now the new tips and fruit is growing. That's one of my pear tree, one of the magic trees. That is a pear tree number 5. It has a very dwarf rootstock, so its size is very small, but it has lots of grafts, lots of varieties onto it. That is a condo variety. It was grafted over here, and hopefully it will give me some fruit this year. As you can see the flowers. On the same branch I have another variety, Pyrus communis butera, and that is the grafting giant, and it has lots of flowers, which means it will give me some fruit. On the next branch, that is a Saphira variety. It fruited last year as well. Next to it, that is a Bon Louise variety. Very nice, very beautiful variety. Its skin turns into red, which gives a very nice and shiny look. On the next branch, over here I added a graft which was not successful. The branch behind it, that is conference variety, which is full of beautiful flowers. And if we go on the next branch, that is another variety. I brought it from a relative's house, tasted the fruit. It was very nice and tasty, and that is growing. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, please subscribe to my channel, and you will have an easy access to me and to all my videos. Thank you.